Okay, so blacklisting website with Codeproof is very simple. First, we head to the policy manager and we select the device. Alright, from here, we head to the Chrome browser tab and we make sure to hit enable. And since we want to blacklist the website, we hit this option, block only these websites, and we select add. Then you put a URL of the website you are trying to blacklist. So we'll do apple.com, hit add, and then make sure we go to the bottom and hit save. Now, when we reload this, it says Apple is blocked.